Here's an easy force to do that involves cutting the cards, and that's how you locate the spectator's card. It's not a traditional cut though. It involves the magician having the spectator come up and showing the spectator how he wants them to cut the cards. So the magician will take a little bit of cards off the top and say, I want you to cut the cards like this, turn them over and place them back on top of the deck. But I want you to cut deeper than how many cards that I've cut. So the spectator will come up, cut the cards deeper than how the magician cut, turn their cards over, and place them on the deck. Now this is called the cut deeper force. You spread the cards out, show where the spectator cut, and that'll get you to one face down card. And that's the card that you use as the selection. In this case, it would be the 7 of hearts, and that, of course, is the force card. Now, to do this, it's really simple. The force card is on top of the deck. You can shuffle just as long as you keep the force card on the top position of the deck. The magician will ask a spectator, and the magician have the spectator come up. Magician will just take a little packet of cards off the top, turn them over, and place them back on top of the deck. And now the spectator, when they do that, you're just reversing what the magician did. They have to cut, obviously, they have to cut more cards than the magician did, so they cut deeper. That's why it's called the cut deeper force. And then turn those stack over and place them back on the deck. Now it kind of looks like they cut to that card, but that in fact is just the top card of the deck. And so when you turn it over, that's the force card. And it's an easy force to do, and it's just called the cut deeper. Once again, force cards on top. Magician demonstrates, take a little packet of cards, turn it face up, put them on top of the deck. They cut deeper, turn them over, place them on top of the deck. Magician says, let's see where you cut to. It's indicated by the first face down card. Take that card out, and that, of course, is the force card. And that's the cut deeper card force.